So, good morning and welcome. So I'm out again for my run. I mean, it had been quite a few days, that I haven't up for my run. So it's Sunday and I'm still out. So basically, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show any of you, whoever watches my vlog, guys, how I do my morning training. What I do in my morning training. So I'm just gonna run through all those things, and to be honest, I don't even know. Well, I start with a run first, I start with a run, and after that shadow boxing and push-ups, but in between I add many things, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna show. And I train fasted. The first thing is I train fasted, It's just like, I like training fasted. Nothing in my body, just a glass of water. And then I start my training. It's more like it helps you mentally also, We are so used to training with some pre-workouts and food. But my first training goes without any food, and yeah, it's just gonna be a pure raw workout, just whatever I have, whatever I have and whatever I find in my workout place. No fancy things, no aesthetics, no chasing aesthetics. I mean, yeah, it's fine if you go to gym. I'm not opposing that, but sometimes you should go and train without that. Also, you should be able to train without any equipment also. Yes, of course, gym gives you good results, I'm very sure, but workout should be a mindset thing as well, so you should find and train with whatever you find. So I'm gonna show you how. First, I have this rope, jumping rope, that's very handy, and we'll see. We'll see what we'll find along the way. So now I'll just start with my run, and yeah. So what I do is, as you can see, the ground, around 10 to 8 to 10 rounds. I don't do that much of running. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just do 10 to 8 rounds. Sometimes 8, sometimes depends. And then, yeah, or otherwise I go. I'll show you the hill, the uphill that I train, and it fucks you up, to be honest. So yeah, this is the hill. It goes straight to the, and to be honest, and this is where I run. If the ground is too, like I said, the place that I live in, it rains almost every fucking day nowadays. So the ground gets all muddy. It's not that I have problem running in muddy, but it breaks the consistent, So I run here. I do something, and it's not easy. So I just do 8 uphill sprintings. Not hard, but if I can just semi-hard. And yeah, I came back to this place after a week. So I don't know, it just feels strange. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and run for a while, do my uphill sprinting, and then we'll start the actual training. So the running's done. Now I need to find a rock. Like I said, I do the run training, whatever I find. So, and I don't like doing same thing again and again. So usually what I do is run, skip ropes, and push-ups, different variation, and shadow box. I make it like morning, but sometimes I put some addition to it, and what I need to find is a rock, pure Dagestani's training. Not that much, but I try to utilize and work with the rock. So I don't think I'll find a damn fucking rock. Last time I was here, I kept it somewhere, but things, they don't stay in one place for long. Remember that, my friend. Okay, I might have seen a rock. Yep, I found one. So almost all of my workouts done. Now, before I end, I do a few rounds of shadow boxing, so I come here. This is a place, it's sort of like a basketball. Not sort of, it is a basketball court. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I end with shadow boxing and a few workouts. Like I said, I just do it. I just do a few of the light workout in the morning in my fastest state. So yeah. Let's start with shadow boxing and let's see what else can I do. Now, so my workout is done, and yeah, it started raining as well. I was about to go home. Yeah, it was. That's it for today. That's something raw. No chasing aesthetics, just pure discipline and